Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our Extortion Defense Lawyer in Missouri website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you better understand our services and protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with extortion in the state of Missouri, we can help. Don't face the state and court system alone during your extortion charge. Contact one of our Missouri Extortion Defense Lawyers today at 314-900-HELP to protect your rights and future. Combs Waterkotte is committed to handling all extortion defense cases with confidential care and understanding. We are not here to judge you. We believe that everyone in Missouri, regardless of the crime they have been charged with, deserves an aggressive legal defense and to have their legal rights protected. With that being said, let's discuss hiring our extortion defense lawyers in Missouri and setting up a free consultation with our attorneys. Extortion defense lawyers in Missouri. Extortion allegations can put your career, reputation, and freedom at risk. If you're being investigated or have been charged with extortion in Missouri, you need immediate, experienced defense. Combs Waterkotte is a trusted criminal defense firm in Missouri that handles complex white-collar and coercion-based charges with discretion, strategy, and proven results. Extortion lawyer in Missouri. Facing an extortion charge in Missouri? You need more than just legal advice. You need a powerhouse defense team that knows how to fight back. At Combs Waterkotte, we represent individuals accused of coercion, blackmail, and other serious threats with strategic, aggressive, and discreet legal counsel. Extortion is a felony that can wreck your career, reputation, and freedom. But with the right defense attorney, it doesn't have to. Whether you're being investigated or already charged, we'll move fast to protect your rights, challenge the prosecution, and work toward the best possible result. If you're facing extortion charges in Missouri, contact us online or call 314-900-HELP for a free and confidential consultation with one of our skilled criminal defense lawyers. Understanding extortion charges in Missouri. In Missouri, extortion generally involves obtaining money, property, or services from someone through coercion, threats, or misuse of authority. It often falls under the legal definition of coercion or tampering, depending on the tactics used. While extortion is often associated with violence, many extortion charges stem from nonviolent threats, including blackmail, digital coercion, and business intimidation. Common extortion tactics can include threatening to expose private or embarrassing information, using one's position to unlawfully influence or force payment, threatening harm to someone's family or property, demanding money or favors in exchange for silence, even if no money changes hands or if the victim doesn't follow through. Simply making the threat can be grounds for a criminal charge. Missouri extortion laws and classifications. Missouri classifies extortion-related offenses under a variety of statutes, including tampering with a witness, RSMO Section 575.270, stealing by coercion, RSMO Section 570.030, threats to influence an official action, RSMO Section 575.040, harassment, RSMO Section 565.090. Depending on the circumstances, extortion may be charged as a Class D felony or even elevated to a Class B felony if aggravating factors exist. These offenses carry prison time, heavy fines, and lasting social consequences. Legal penalties for extortion in Missouri. In addition to the penalties listed below, extortion convictions also carry reputational damage that can follow you long after your sentence ends. These cases are often high-profile and emotionally charged, making a proactive defense strategy crucial. Class D felony. Up to 7 years in prison and $10,000 in fines. Class C felony. 3 to 10 years in prison. Class B felony. 5 to 15 years if force or serious threats were involved. Restitution. Court-ordered repayment to the alleged victim. Loss of employment and professional licenses. Common Missouri extortion scenarios and accusations. Extortion charges often arise in personal, business, or political conflicts. Some of the most common examples we defend include threats to release compromising photos or texts, digital blackmail, demanding payment in exchange for non-disclosure, threats made during divorce or custody battles, corporate threats between competitors or employees, attempted coercion of a government official. Even unrecorded conversations or misunderstood statements can be used as evidence. Our Missouri extortion attorneys work quickly to preserve evidence, identify intent, and fight for your side of the story to be heard. How a Combs Waterkotte attorney defends against extortion charges in Missouri. We build strong defense strategies to protect your freedom and reputation. Our attorneys may argue, lack of intent. You didn't intend to threaten or extort. Constitutional violations. We challenge illegal searches or coerced statements. False allegations. The claims are fabricated or exaggerated. Miscommunication. The interaction was misinterpreted. No exchange occurred. The elements of the crime weren't fulfilled. Our legal team prepares each case as if it's going to trial. This thorough approach improves negotiation leverage and increases your chances of dismissal, acquittal, or favorable plea outcomes. How a Combs Waterkotte, Missouri extortion defense lawyer can help. When you're facing extortion charges, you need more than just a random attorney. You need a proven legal team. Combs Waterkotte has successfully defended thousands of clients across Missouri. What can happen if you don't hire an extortion lawyer in Missouri? You may accidentally incriminate yourself in early interviews. Prosecutors may push for maximum charges and sentencing. Evidence may go unchallenged or improperly admitted. Your reputation could suffer from unprotected publicity. You might lose professional licenses or permits. You could miss opportunities for early dismissal or charge reduction. Without strategic defense, your record may remain permanent. It becomes harder to negotiate plea deals without representation. Why choose Combs Waterkotte for extortion defense in Missouri? At Combs Waterkotte, we fight for real results, not quick fixes. When you hire us, you get 50-plus years of combined criminal defense experience, successful record handling high-profile white-collar cases, responsive, judgment-free client communication from day one, extensive trial and pretrial strategy to protect your future, former prosecutors on staff, insight into how the state builds its case. Combs Waterkotte brings powerful resources to your Missouri extortion defense. Our goal is clear: to dismantle the prosecution's case and fight for your freedom, inside and outside the courtroom. Extortion cases often involve complex digital evidence, financial transactions, and conflicting narratives. At Combs Waterkotte, we leverage every legal and investigative resource available to build your strongest defense. Our firm includes former prosecutors, trial-tested litigators, and access to expert witnesses in digital forensics, financial analysis, and law enforcement procedures. We meticulously analyze emails, texts, call logs, financial records, and surveillance footage to challenge the state's version of events. Whether your case hinges on alleged threats, coercion, or misunderstandings, we dig deeper, prepare harder, and advocate stronger. Contact an extortion lawyer in Missouri right away. If you've been charged with or are under investigation for extortion in Missouri, time is critical. We'll help you understand your options and build a strategy that protects everything you've worked for. The sooner you hire legal counsel, the more options you preserve. Extortion cases can escalate quickly. Don't wait to protect yourself. Call us at 314-900-HELP or reach out online today for a confidential consultation with an experienced St. Louis extortion attorney to get the defense you deserve.